Do you remember how great you felt after your last 10-day detox? You had more energy, probably slept better, less inflammation, clearer skin, and you dropped a few pounds. You probably also ate healthier during that time. That's why it's important to stay on a detox schedule. Here at Live Well, we recommend doing a spring and fall detox about 6 months apart. This helps to reestablish those good eating habits that you had when you're doing your 10-day detox. It also helps to eliminate those toxins that we continually come in contact with, both chemical and environmental. Our liver does a great job, but we need to help it out a little bit too and make sure that we're actually detoxifying from all those chemicals that we're coming into contact with every single day. We have 3 different choices for you here at the office, so we have the perfect detox for you. If you've done one with us before, please go ahead and let me know so I can send you a coupon for 10% off your kit. If you've not done one, I encourage you to go ahead and click the link below now and contact me to schedule a free consultation to see which detox kit is going to work best for you. You're going to feel so much better after detoxing, and I hope to hear from you soon.